Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Still, having to have a GPS position hold, I mean, look at that. Anyone can fly it. Even my 6 years old and 9 years old kids were able to fly it, go auto invert and control it. Give me a moment. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. alishanmao here and welcome to freezing outdoors, the RC airport. Today in this video I'm going to fly the FlyWing FW450 V2 H1 GPS helicopter, which is running an H1 light flight controller, and I have set it up with my Radiomaster TX16S Max Edition OpenTX multi-protocol radio control system. Now, I got this helicopter PNP, not RTF, honestly, PNP, and I do have an unboxing video that the clips that I will show you very soon here. The reason I got it PNP is because a lot of people ask me, can you post a video of how to set up the H1 light GPS autopilot or FW450 V1 V2 helicopters with OpenTX multi-protocol radios or OpenTX or some other radio controls, anything other than the Fly Sky radio that originally RTF version comes with. So I said, okay, I got myself FlyWing FW450 V2. Check this out. Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? This is the version 2. We'll talk about its features very soon. So let's get back to this topic. Yes, I was able to record a detailed video of my experience on setting up Radiomaster TX16S multi-protocol OpenTX radio control with H1 Lite GPS and FW450 V2 PNP version, and that video will be on my channel very soon. Let's get down to this video now. Yesterday I came out, I did the compass calibration, which is one of the most toughest things to do in the world. Please start spinning. Oh, start spinning. Yes, it says it's done. Compass calibration, I hope FlyWing, please make the compass calibration process really simple. We don't want to do that complicated messing around thing. Today in this video, everything is set up. FlyWing 450 FW450 V2 helicopter. The head speed I have set 80%. Every option is set, compass calibrated, everything calibrated. So I'm gonna fly with the 3300 milliamp 4S batteries and fly with 4450 milliamp battery as well. And those batteries are, yes, I learned my lesson. Those batteries are in a warm cap in my bag, keeping warm. This is my cap and I can see my batteries are warm. Okay, so I hope I will not have the battery issue because of the cold. So I'll just quickly recap. H1 Lite GPS autopilot, it offers you GPS position hold and altitude hold. Makes this helicopter super easy to fly for beginners, and beginners can even do inverted flight using the auto inverted feature. It also offers 3D, that is manual 3D flight, so if you have skills you can do the 3D flight with it. It has auto return to home, fail-safe GPS auto return to home. That means if you go out of control range, it will come back home and land. If your battery is running low, it will come back home and land. Given that you have turned on that feature. If now, like in this winter, very cold, I had to turn that feature off because batteries go down very quick and helicopter activates RTH for no reason. It also has auto circle, point of interest, and figure 8 flight. So these are the features. Apart from this, it's running a new ESC, it's running new motor, and it is much more powerful. And don't forget, the tail is removable, super easy. Last but not least, beautiful white canopy that you can paint all by yourself. All right, this is this. Let's set it up, let's fire it up, let's fly and have fun with it. And after this video, you'll be able to watch the tutorial videos on how to set up the Radiomaster TX16S with FlyWing FW450 V2 and my first experience yesterday in the cold weather. So let's get to work. And yes, check this out. FlyWing, please provide us with a blade holder. I had to make a blade holder using a foam piece. You know.
Welcome back, alishanmao. Fly it like you stole it. Have fun.
Disarmed. Return to home. Normal mode. Ouch. GPS mode.
GPS mode, that's what we want. I'll power on the helicopter. Put it down there. Alright, let's get ready. Okay, all set. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's fly. It's in GPS position hold mode. So in order to unlock the motors, a lot of people are having issues. First thing, you need to make sure the green LED is solid on your flight controller. After that, hold on the throttle down and left for 3 seconds. Once the green LED starts blinking, hit the arm switch. Central throttle. Take off. 80% head speed. Battery will die very quickly in this winter, but look at that, mashallah, how beautiful hold it has. Okay, a little bit of toilet bowl movement I feel, but I would go through the troubles of calibrating the compass again. But look at that, flying nice and solid like it's on rails, mashallah. Also, some people noticed and said that when you're doing forward flight, the helicopter oscillates up and down. Just like this, it did a little bit. If your helicopter is doing that, you just need to move the battery and set the center of gravity. You don't have to do anything in software side. Look, mashallah, my battery was warm today, so it's giving me really nice flight time. Otherwise, yesterday it was going beep, 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 just in a minute. Right? This is your FW450 V2 hovering. So once you leave the throttle radio, it should hover at one place. I see a little bit of toilet bowl movement, which is, of course, as I said, I have to do the compass calibration right. Unfortunately, I didn't bring the computer today. Anyway, still having to have a GPS position hold. I mean, look at that. Anyone can fly it. Even my 6 years old and 9 years old kids were able to fly it, go auto invert and control it. So I'm gonna test a bit more features, and that is go slightly up and mid throttle, and I'll put it in circle mode. If nose stays looking towards the center when you do circle mode, that means your compass is actually calibrated properly. Otherwise your nose will not look at the center. So that is the circle mode. Okay. Normal mode. And now I'm just gonna leave the radio here and flick the switch to figure 8 flight. And look at that, it's just flying all by itself. Figure 8 mode. So I'm just gonna shoot a little clip for my TikTok. There you go, you're watching both clips now. FW450 V2 flying all by itself, figure 8, while the radio is here on the table and the pilot is here recording the video. Still flying. All right, that's good enough for TikTok. 4 minutes. That's nice. So everything tested.
Normal mode.
It's working very well. Let's test the auto return to home. So I'm gonna go farther, slightly here. All right, and
Return to home.
return to home. So I'm just gonna put it down here again. Radio's down there, and helicopter turns the nose in and comes back. And now it should land. Land, but don't drop, please. Yeah, it's landing. Slight deviation, but it's adjusting itself. 5 minutes so far, but flying for 4 minutes probably, because I took my time after turning the radio on, of course. Well, actually not. I set the throttle, I set the timer to start when the flight starts. Yes, so it is 5 minutes. Helicopter landing all by itself, and after that I can take some pictures. Look at that, how amazing is this, right? Alright, so
GPS mode. Disarmed.
disarm, GPS mode.
Armed.
Nah, not the good angle. I'll change the angle, hold on. So, how easy it is, I mean, really. Alright, change the angle. And now I'm gonna take a picture here. To do auto inverted, you have to be slightly higher. Okay, hold it there and switch to auto inverted. Okay, battery is dying. I might be able to take an inverted picture. Very, very quick. Give me a moment. Man, I'm getting really, mashallah, very beautiful flight times. Okay, now battery is dying, so I better go up.
9 minutes.
And switch to normal mode and bring it down. Man, 9 minutes on a crappy battery in freezing weather. 9 minutes in this weather and with a crappy battery. That's amazing. Look at this. This is E-top, about 2 years old, swelling, and in this weather, very cold weather, I got 9 minutes. 9 minutes flight out of this battery, running an 80% head speed. Now FlyWing also offers 4450 mAh FlyWing high voltage battery. This is HV LiPo. You can see maximum 17.4 volts, so you can charge it on 4.35 volt per cell, and properly in summer it should give you 20 plus flight time, 20 plus minutes flight time. So I'm just gonna put it in and, you know, have some fun flying the helicopter around. Also slap it around a bit, throw it around a bit in 3D mode. All right, but you see, 16 minutes on 4450 milliamp high voltage 4S battery. I charge it 4.35 volt on all cells, and I got 16 minutes in cold, on a cold winter day, not in, on a cold winter day. And given that I performed auto inverted, auto flights, 2 sessions of 3D, and flying it around. not just hovering. I'm sure FW450 V2 helicopter will definitely give me 20 plus minutes of flight time. That's a lot of flight time for a beginner to enjoy flying his puppy, loyal puppy helicopter, learn his routines, do invert it in between, impress his friends, and be happy, be very, very happy with the FW450 V2. So this is this. Thank you very much for watching this lengthy video. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Give it a big like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little ding dong bell icon so you get notifications. Without that, you won't get notifications of my new exciting uploads. So stay tuned for more helicopter videos coming your way soon. Let's fly a long-range FPV racing quadcopter, FlyWing LR4.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.